All right, so we're back at the milling of the replacement part here, and I'm cheating a little bit. I'm using the mill to get me close here. I used the face here, and I registered it in the tooling setup here. So I get the ballpark, and I'm going to rotate this 45 degrees and then cut it 4 more times, and that gets me in the ballpark. I'm doing this way because it gets me in the ballpark closer than just eyeballing it, and the form tool I ground, I'm not 100% happy with it. It's good, but the thing is, it doesn't have any rake to it. You can't really see it here. Well, yeah, okay. So there's no rake to it, right? So that's fine for brass, but steel does not like that. So it tends to vibrate. So, yeah, home gamer stuff. It's hard to get round tools. Especially this is the detent for the ball bearing, so it's kind of hard to get that size. I don't know. Maybe industrial guys, they have all the cool tools, but home gamer stuff's kind of limited on resources. But if you look at it, after I tuned it up with the round nose tool that I ground, and then I use the file a little bit, it's looking damn good. So we just got to see if this is in the same ballpark. Hopefully it is. And there's some forgiveness in this gear mesh, so it should be okay, even if it's a little bit on the close side. So then I just got to not ruin the rest of this. So I have to sneak up on it again and polish it up. And I am going to go ahead and knock this oil light bushing out. I ordered some reamers last night, so this is 3/8, so I'll need it 376, and I've got some oil light rods, so we'll bore that out to 376 and make a custom one. The problem is it's 0.82, and you can only get 0.75. So yeah, I'm at a loss for that. 0.75 is close to the ball bearing. It would probably work fine, but it's always nice to have a little bit of meat in there as a backup plan. So we'll knock this out. We'll make a stepped, maybe save one of these, something like that. And so we'll have a shoulder that hits the bearing but not the housing, because if we damage the housing, we are totally screwed. We don't want to do that. So we'll knock out that guy, and then we'll have to push it in from the other side. That's gonna be tons of fun. Yeah, this is not a fun thing to work on. So yeah, this is coming along. Some very stressful moments, but it's coming along. I think it'll be okay. So we got to make sure that those detents are deep enough that the ball bearing locks in, and that they're in the right place so that it does its job properly. So that's it for now. And when this is the setup, I got a little itty bitty ball nose end mill in there. You can see that little carbide ball nose, and then I've got it set so that I can just get the face of the block true with the jaws of the vise, and that keeps my depth constant. Now, I have that too. I could use that, but I just decided I just slap a ruler on there real quick, like this, just like that. Keeps everything flush, no problem, easy. So that's it for now.